So in part 3, we're going to talk about your decisions. So what you need to do first is write down some challenges that you faced, or maybe circle the ones that are in the book here. You know, maybe your survey wasn't very good, or your sources weren't giving you the right information, or you couldn't get Google Scholar to work, whatever it was that was a challenge. And then I want you to write down some decisions you made. So, for example, if none of your primary contacts responded, your decision is probably to email them again. Maybe your decision was to find new contacts. Maybe your decision was to go onto the uni website and find other people who might be interested, okay, in helping you. And then you say, how did this help you? Well, when I emailed them again, they responded because they'd forgotten. And then this gave lots of information. Maybe, the finding new contacts was great because then it meant that, I could actually get more info. Or maybe it meant that I got a better resource. And then we've got to look at how successful was this. So overall, this decision to contact more people was really successful because I got lots of information and lots of ideas or whatever it is. Okay, so that's a really important part of this section for you to discuss. Then you're going to repeat the exact same process, but you're going to do it with opportunities. So you're going to think about what went right. Did someone get back to you? Did you discover a really good piece of information? Did you manage to get some great data? Did you watch a cool documentary? And you're going to do the same thing. That should say opportunities. I am going, I made the decision to make notes while I watched the documentary. I found that this was really good because it helped me learn about underwater knitting. This was very successful because, right, there's your 4 sections, repeat it again. The last part of your review is going to be about your outcome. And so we've given you some questions here to work through. So how well did your outcome answer your research project? You can literally turn these into sentences. My outcome answered the research project very well because, right? So make sure you give us reasons. Then you can think about your evidence. Did you have a lot of evidence? How clear was it? So you can circle this and then use this to guide your sentences. You then want to think about each focus question. Did you answer it clearly? Did you have primary, secondary information to support it? Did you have lots of sources? Did you summarize it well? And then tell me which one was best, right? So in your paragraph, you're going to start off by talking about the outcome generally. Then you're going to talk about each focus question. Then you're going to talk about your communication. And then you're going to explain whether this was the best way for you to show your data and why, and if you learnt more about your topic. Okay, so this part 4 section, all these questions, is about 500 words of your topic. You can give examples. So you could say things like, one of the main things I learned that really helped me to understand my topic was that blah, blah, blah. Okay, whatever it is. Then you're going to finish off with a very quick reflection at the end. How well did you develop your knowledge and skills? Really well, a bit, maybe you developed heaps of knowledge but not so many skills. Did your decisions help you overcome your challenges? Yes, no, maybe, and why? How well did they help you capitalize on your opportunities? Did you use them to their fullest extent? Did you actually answer your question the way you wanted? And did you actually show how much you learned? Okay. Now, these are your options, so once you've answered all the questions in the booklet, you could then convert this into a PowerPoint or a report, or we can have a chat and we can just record it, or you can turn it into an oral script, or you can do whatever else you wanted. At the end of that process, you'll have done your review. Good luck. Please come visit if you need a hand. It's a really exciting assignment to finish off with, so I hope it goes well.